In the unlikely event of a vehicle fault, you'll be glad you're connected. Now, let's take a closer look at how Hino-Connect diagnoses and reports vehicle faults 24/7. When your truck detects a severe fault, not only is the driver alerted through the instrument panel, but an alert is also delivered straight to your driver through the multimedia unit. Hino Roadside Assist will put you in contact with your closest Hino dealer to organise an inspection. At the same time, a fault notification email is sent to you or your business manager along with the Hino-Connect specialist. Once the truck enters an authorised Hino dealership, your Hino-Connect specialist is notified using geofencing technology. The truck details, the dealer location and the DTCs are sent to your Hino-Connect specialist, who then opens a case management portfolio. Your Hino-Connect specialist will then liaise with the dealer to track and oversee the repair process to get your truck back on the road as quickly as possible, all while being available to you or your business manager for any questions regarding the repair. When your truck is repaired and back on the road, the case management portfolio is closed. Hino-Connect, next generation telematics with superior business intel and support. That's another Hino advantage.